Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete a Microsoft Booking calendar. First method is using Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and sign in with your administrator credentials. In the left-hand navigation pane, just select Users and click on Active Users. Search for the name of the shared booking page, and then select user corresponding to the bookings calendar. Click on Delete User, then confirm the deletion when prompted. Just note that deleting a booking calendar is irreversible. Once deleted, all associated data, including appointments and customer information, will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. You can also do it through the Microsoft PowerShell. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.